Right, today I'm going to show you how to access the bottom prism assembly on a set of 7x50 service glasses. For this I'm going to use these smooth ocular 7x50s, but it does apply to 10x50s and the normal 7x50 service glasses. You'll notice, as I'm sure you know anyway, these have the desiccator cartridges in them. We'll deal with them later. These are an interesting piece of kit. But fine, without further ado, we'll get into the bottom of these. So, same thing again, strap. Make sure that it's a nice tight snug fit. Now sometimes, again, these can be quite tight because of the wax or grease that they've used to seal them with. Again, with these, you can put them into an oven, about 70 or 80 degrees, probably 10 minutes max. Anyway, we'll see what these are like. Ah, that's her, she's coming out. So, what we do is we just undo that. And then just unscrew this. Again, it's a right hand thread, so you will be turning out anti-clockwise. And that is it apart. Once you've done that, this enables you to access, obviously, the internal lens there, as well as you'll be able to do the outside lenses anyway. So, I'm looking inside. I'm not sure if you can actually see this. You will now see the bottom of the top prism and the prism assembly at the bottom itself. So what we next do is we undo these 3 screws, and then the plate will lift off exactly the same way as the top works. So once again, you need a good snug fitting screwdriver. Press hard to keep it in. You don't want it to slip, especially on these, because these are nearly mint. So I don't want to scratch any of the surfaces there. That's the first one coming out. And that is the second one beginning to turn now. And the third one should also start to turn out. Here we go. Right, so once we get these off, again, put them to one side, keep them together. It's the last thing you want is to lose these. Right, now that's the third one out. Now again, just being careful. What you do is that you prise this off exactly the same way as we did the little ones. These have been well sealed. They are coming, just gently, bit by bit. Bit by bit they will come up. So take your time, there is no rush. A little wooden spatula comes in so handy for these. That's it, it's beginning to come off now. And up we go. That's you. Now, that's the top plate off. Inside, you can probably see this better now with the plate off. Same thing applies. You have your prism you have the prism securing bar, and you have the screw that holds it down. You've also got the bottom of the top prism. You can access all of that now. And this is your desiccator cartridge. They are amazing things. I'll show you how to disassemble one of these on a later video, and reapply all of the desiccating stuff inside. So that is how to take them apart.